Hi, it's Captain Raw, and I'm just about to try out a sleeping pod. That's what it looks like. I don't really know what it's called, a sleep, and it says on the sign over there, Slacks pod. Anyway, hold on a second. I'm gonna try to flip this around. There we go. Messy hair again, as usual. Inside the sleeping pod. Experience. Can you hear the music? This is a bird's eye view from the sleeping pod. Not really snoring yet. That's a sleeping pod. That's what they look like. Alright, good night everyone.